This video shows how the printer does solder detection. We first performed PCB automatic positioning. OK. Once completed, we will proceed to create mark. And then click the Make Mark. Click on the marked point settings. For information on how to create mark points, please refer to my previous printer tutorial video. We only need to make 2 diagonal mark points on the PCB. After creating the 2 mark points, click on Mark to D to create the solder inspection. This is what we did before. We delete it, we recreate it. Okay, let's order this new addition here. Let's check the soldering condition of this PCB pad, then click here. We did it all one by one. Click to capture the image. Then click Settings. We narrowed the detection window. We narrow the window to the PCB pad portion that needs to be inspected. Suppose we check these parts, then we click Create Model. The software starts to automatically identify. These 6, 7, and 8 are recognition errors and are generated more. We right-click on the table to delete it. Delete 7. Then delete this 8. Delete this 6. After deletion, the percentage displayed is 0. After clicking Delete, the 6.7.8 table will not be deleted. Here are only 7 PCB pads. Let's check them. Since the software automatically recognizes it, the order of the numbers is wrong. As long as the total number of PCB pads is the same, it doesn't matter. We are creating another PCB pad that needs to be tested. Click Add. We are in another area, looking for a pad inspection. Let's choose this. It is also done in the same way as before. If you are interested in our YouTube videos, please like, subscribe and comment. Delete these erroneous serial numbers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Delete this. We hit delete and the percentages are gone, but the tabular data is still there. Nine, 10. Delete this. After deleting it, it doesn't show up in green. Delete it and it's gone. The serial number still exists. After deleting, he will not detect these. After the modification is completed, click Save to exit. Click Save. Then let's test the detection effect. Okay, let's start production. We're going to turn this on. Open Production Settings. Let's turn this to detection on. Click Save. We placed the PCB on the import side. After printing is completed, the printer automatically detects the solder. If there is no problem with the detection, the PCB will automatically enter the next machine. Now we artificially make bad products, then let the machine test it. We wipe all these solders and then test them. This PCB is used to check the accuracy of the machine or the printing quality of the solder. We've blocked the printing here. Let the machine directly detect. I didn't turn on the printing function here. Then the machine is tested and alarms if there is a problem. If the measurement here does not meet the parameter settings, the machine will alarm. We need to set these detection window parameters. The parameter value setting method is based on your company's requirements. The video ends here. I hope you can set it according to your own parameters.